In this video, we'll discuss how to master parallel reality shifting or quantum jumping and manifest fast. We will talk about setting clear intentions, raising your vibration, visualizing your desired reality, letting go of resistance, taking inspired action, and finally, some real-life examples and success stories. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn all there is to know about parallel reality shifting. In quantum jumping, we are the creators of our own reality and have the power to shift into a parallel universe that aligns with our intentions and desires. It is based on the multiverse theory in quantum physics, which proposes that multiple universes or realities coexist. Each possibility becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy when we believe in and focus on a particular outcome. Our consciousness plays a vital role in shaping our reality, and by aligning our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with our desired state, we can bring it into existence. Let's now look at the step-by-step guide to mastering parallel reality shifting or quantum jumping. Step number 1. Set a clear intention. The first step towards successful quantum jumping is setting a clear intention. This involves identifying what you want to manifest or the reality you want to shift into. It is essential to be specific and detailed in your intention setting. Ask yourself what you truly desire and set a clear goal. Write down your intentions and visualize them as if they have already manifested. By setting a clear intention, you provide direction to your quantum jumps and increase your chances of manifesting your desired outcome. Step number 2. Raise your vibration. Raising your vibration is a crucial aspect of quantum jumping. It involves adopting a positive mindset, focusing on positive thoughts and emotions, and engaging in activities that uplift your spirit. Practicing gratitude, forgiveness, and love can help shift your energy to a higher frequency. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and listening to uplifting music can also aid in raising your vibration. By raising your vibration, you create a positive energetic state necessary for attracting and manifesting your desires. Step number 3. Visualize your desired reality. Visualization is a powerful tool in quantum jumping. Create a vivid mental image of your desired reality and visualize yourself already experiencing it. See the details, feel the emotions, and immerse yourself in that reality. Regular practice of visualization helps align your thoughts and emotions with your desired outcome. You can enhance your visualization practice by using tools like vision boards or by engaging all your senses in the process. Remember that consistent practice is key to harnessing the power of visualization in quantum jumping. Step number 4. Let go of resistance. Resistance in the form of doubts, fears, and limiting beliefs can hinder the quantum jumping process. It is essential to acknowledge and release any resistance that arises. This can be achieved through practices like meditation, journaling, or by working with a therapist or counselor. By letting go of resistance, you create a clear, energetic pathway for the manifestation of your desires. Remember that releasing resistance is an ongoing practice and requires commitment and self. Step number 5. Take inspired action. Taking inspired action is the final step in the quantum jumping process. Once you have set your intentions, raised your vibration, visualized your desired reality, and let go of resistance, it's time to take action. However, this action should be aligned with your intentions and guided by inspiration rather than solely by willpower or external pressures. Inspired action involves doing things that support your desired outcome and bring you closer to your goals. It can include activities like pursuing new opportunities, making lifestyle changes, or seeking support from like-minded individuals. Taking inspired action helps solidify your intentions and manifests your desired reality. Now that we have covered the basic steps, let's explore some additional techniques to manifest fast. Technique number 1. Meditation and visualization exercises. Meditation and visualization are powerful tools for quantum jumping. They allow you to focus your thoughts and emotions on your desired reality. Set aside dedicated time for daily meditation and visualization practice. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and visualize your desired reality in vivid detail. Feel the emotions associated with that reality and immerse yourself in it. Regular practice of meditation and visualization can significantly speed up the manifestation process. Technique number 2. Affirmations and scripting. Affirmations and scripting are effective techniques for imprinting your desired reality into your subconscious mind. Create positive affirmations that reinforce your intentions and repeat them daily. You can also script your reality by writing as if you are already living your desired life. This technique helps align your thoughts and emotions with your intentions, accelerating the manifestation process. Consistency and belief in your affirmations and scripts are crucial for their effectiveness. Technique number 3. Vision boards or journaling. Vision boards and journaling are practical tools for staying focused on your desired reality. Create a vision board filled with images and words that represent your goals and aspirations. Alternatively, journal your intentions and positive affirmations daily. These techniques help keep your intentions top of mind and maintain a positive mindset, supporting faster manifestation through quantum jumping. Now let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid when practicing quantum jumping. Mistake number 1. Doubting the process or your ability to shift realities. Doubt and disbelief in the quantum jumping process can hinder your progress. Avoid doubting the principles of quantum physics or your own abilities. Trust in the power of your intentions and focus on achieving your desired outcome. A positive and unwavering belief in the process is essential for successful quantum jumping. Mistake number 2. Focusing on the lack of what you want instead of the desired outcome. Focusing on what you do want to have rather than what you want can block the manifestation of your desires. Avoid dwelling on the lack or limitation. Instead, concentrate on the abundance and possibilities that exist in your desired reality. Maintain a positive and appreciative mindset to attract your desired outcome. Mistake number 3. Impatience and not trusting the timing of the universe. Impatience and a lack of trust in the universe's timing can also hinder quantum jumping. Avoid rushing the process and have faith that everything will unfold in divine timing. Trust that the universe is working in your favor and that your desired reality will manifest when the time is right. Patience and surrender to the flow of the universe are essential for successful quantum jumping. Now let's look at some real-life examples and success stories. While scientific evidence for parallel realities is still debated, many individuals have reported experiences that they attribute to quantum jumping or parallel reality shifting. These accounts often involve sudden shifts in consciousness, vivid dreams, or out-of-body experiences that leave individuals feeling transformed or enlightened. Some have even claimed to have shifted to more positive or desirable realities through meditation or visualization techniques. However, it is important to note that these experiences are highly personal and subjective and cannot be scientifically verified. Now let's conclude this video. Quantum jumping is a fascinating concept that offers a unique perspective on the power of the human mind and the nature of reality. While scientific evidence for parallel realities and the efficacy of quantum jumping remains elusive, the underlying principles of intention setting, positive thinking, and the law of attraction hold significant value. By setting clear intentions, raising our vibration, visualizing our desired outcomes, letting go of resistance, and taking inspired action, we can align ourselves with the principles of quantum jumping. Embracing a mindset of abundance, gratitude, and self-belief can empower us to manifest our desires and create the reality we envision. Whether viewed through the lens of quantum physics or as a tool for personal growth and transformation, quantum jumping encourages us to tap into the limitless potential of our minds and embrace the power of intention and positive thinking in shaping our experiences. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and share it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening content. Have a wonderful day.